Are you knee-deep in a debris dilemma, surrounded by the chaos of clutter? It's time to reclaim your space and tranquility. Welcome to Dumpster Solutions NW, your ultimate go-to destination for dumpster rental in Kent, Washington. Whether you're a homeowner embarking on a grand cleanup, a contractor overseeing a construction project, or a business owner streamlining operations, Dumpster Solutions NW has the perfect solution tailored to your needs. But why should you choose Dumpster Solutions NW? We're not just here to provide dumpsters, but to rescue you from the abyss of trash trouble. Our mission is to transform chaos into calm, making waste management a breeze for you. Our expert team ensures that your waste disposal is as smooth as a freshly paved road, allowing you to focus on what matters most. And here's the exciting part, we're not just cleaning up but also saving the planet. Our commitment to recycling is out of this world. We actively recycle to minimize waste and reduce environmental impact, contributing to a greener tomorrow. Ready to unleash your inner trash-taming hero and embark on a journey to declutter and streamline your project? Call us today at 206-255-0095 or visit our website at www.dumpstersolutionsnw.com. Dumpster Rental Kent WA to kickstart your trash transformation journey. Dumpster Solutions NW, where your trash becomes our treasure and every project ends with a smile.